Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Auditing worksheets refers to the process of discovering which cells involved in cell formulas are dependent upon which other cells to function. For example, you might have a formula at the bottom of a column that adds up the numbers above it. That formula is dependent on those cells to function, so you call it a dependent cell in regards to the cells above it. The cells above the formula cell are called the precedent cells. These are the cells which contain the values used to perform the calculation. Auditing worksheets is simply a way of analyzing the relationships that exist between cells and the related cell dependencies within a workbook. In Excel, you can use the buttons in the Formula Auditing button group on the Formulas tab of the ribbon to trace the precedent and dependent cells of a selected formula cell. This lets you easily see which cells a selected formula cell uses in its calculations. This also enables you to see which other formula cells then use the value derived from the selected formula cell in their calculations.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.